top 11 best drones for under $200 in 2024. Welcome to Drone Lost, where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, I'm going to show you the best drones for under $200. These drones are affordable, easy to use, and have amazing features that will make your flying experience more fun and exciting. Whether you're looking for a drone for photography, racing, or just having fun, you'll find something that suits your needs and budget in this list. So, without further ado, let's get started. Starting off our list is the Contixo F31, a foldable drone that comes with a 1080p camera, a powerful GPS system, and intelligent flight modes. It has a long-range 600 up to 800 meters and a flight time of 25 minutes. You can control it with your voice or your smartphone and enjoy features like Follow Me, Orbit, Waypoint, and gesture control. The Contixo F31 is a great value GPS drone that costs only $199.99. It is very stable and reliable, and it can return to its home point automatically if the battery is low or the signal is lost. It is also very easy to set up and fly, and the camera quality is decent for the price. The 10th drone on our list is the Eachine EX5, a mini drone that looks very similar to the DJI Mavic Mini. It has a 4K HD camera, a dual GPS system, and a brushless motor. It has a 5G Wi-Fi transmission, a Follow Me mode, a surround mode, and a waypoint mode. It also has a low battery return, a lost signal return, and a one-key return. The Eachine EX5 is a cheap and lightweight drone that costs only $137.99. It has a range of 1 kilometer and a flight time of 30 minutes. It is very easy to fly, even for beginners, and can perform 360-degree flips and rolls. It also has a gravity sensor, a trajectory flight, and a gesture control. The next drone on our list is the DeeRC D50, a foldable drone that comes with a 1080p camera, a 120-degree wide-angle lens, and a shock-absorbing holder. It has a 6-axis gyro, an altitude hold, and a one-key takeoff and landing. It also has a gravity sensor, a trajectory flight, and a gesture control. It has a range of 164 feet and a flight time of 12 minutes. The DeeRC D50 is a stylish and smooth drone that costs only $129.99. It also has a gimbal that can reduce the vibration and distortion of the images. It is very easy and fun to fly, and you can control it with your hand gestures or draw a path on your phone screen. The 8th drone on our list is the SJRC F22, a foldable drone that comes with a 4K camera, a dual GPS system, and a brushless motor. It has a 5G Wi-Fi transmission, a Follow Me mode, a surround mode, and a waypoint mode. It also has a low battery return, a lost signal return, and a one-key return. It has a range of 600 meters and a flight time of 25 minutes. The SJRC F22 is a powerful and smart drone that costs only $169.99. The 7th drone on our list is the MJX Bugs 18 Pro, a racing drone that comes with a 4K camera, a 5G Wi-Fi transmission, and a brushless motor. It has a 3-axis gimbal EIS camera, a headless mode, and a speed switch. It also has a point of interest, a Follow Me, and a gesture control. It has a range of 3 kilometers and a flight time of 25 minutes. The MJX Bugs 18 Pro is a fast and furious drone that costs only $179.99. It is very stable and responsive, and it has a lot of cool features that make it more fun and interactive. Number 6 is the CFLY Mini. The CFLY Mini is a foldable drone that comes with a 4K camera, a 3-axis gimbal, and a dual GPS system. It has Follow Me mode, a orbit mode, and a waypoint mode. It also has an optical flow positioning, a gesture control, and a voice control. It has a range up to 3 kilometers and a flight time of 26 minutes. The CFLY Mini is a compact and intelligent drone that costs only $189.99. The 5th drone on our list is the Holystone HS4 40D, a quadcopter that comes with a 1080p HD camera and a 140-degree wide-angle lens. It has a 2.4G Wi-Fi transmission, a headless mode, and a one-key takeoff and landing. It also has a 3D flip mode, a speed mode, and a gravity sensor. It has a range of 100 meters and a flight time of 12 minutes. The Holystone HS440D is a fun and easy drone that costs only $129.99. The next drone on our list is the ZLL SG906 Max 2, a foldable drone that comes with a 4K HD camera and a shock-absorbing holder. It has a 3-axis gimbal, an altitude hold, and a one-key takeoff and landing. It also has a gravity sensor, a trajectory flight, and a gesture control. It has a range of 1 kilometer and a flight time of 30 minutes. The ZLL SG906 Max 2 is a budget-friendly drone that costs only $199.99. The third drone on our list is the Ryze Tello, a mini drone that comes with a 720p HD camera. It has a Wi-Fi transmission, a bounce mode, a 8D flip mode, and a throw-and-go mode. It also has the electronic image stabilization, a vision positioning system, and a programmable feature. It has a range of 100 meters and a flight time of 13 minutes. The Ryze Tello is an educational and fun drone that costs only $99.99. The runner-up on our list is the Holystone HS600, a foldable drone that comes with a 4K camera and a brushless motor. It has a dual navigation system, a follow me mode, a circle mode, and a waypoint mode. It also has an optical flow positioning, a gesture control, and a voice control. It has a range of 3 kilometers and a flight time of 28 minutes. The Holystone HS600 is a high-performance and advanced drone that costs only $199.99. It has a lot of features and functions that make it very impressive and convenient. The last but not least on our list is the Flyhal FX1, a foldable drone that comes with a 4K HD camera, a 3-axis gimbal, and a dual GPS system. It has a 5G Wi-Fi transmission, a follow-me mode, a circle mode, and a waypoint mode. It also has an optical flow positioning, a gesture control, and a voice control. It has a range of 600 meters and a flight time of 28 minutes. The Flyhal FX1 is a stable and versatile drone that costs only $199.99. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments which drone you liked the most and why. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.